Hello traders, welcome back. In today's video, we'll dive into some stocks that could make big moves as early as in the next week. So stick around and see what's on the radar. The first stock that I am going to discuss you is the Titan. So if you look at here, there was a good breakout into the previous consolidation here. So which speaks about there is a good chance the prices will go for 3,800 to 3,900. Now not only that, if you look at the previous consolidation at all-time high, it has a low accumulation when compared to now. So if you focus on now, there is a lot of activity around here. At a lowest, good amount of accumulation is there around 3,200 to 3,500 600 levels. At the same time, as the prices are breaking around this high, there is a good amount of volume that is coming in, and a day back there was a good breakout on Thursday, and at that point of time also there is a good volume which is more than average. So this speaks about good accumulation is there in Titan. If at all the market is not going to crash heavily, then there is a good chance for long term this might even go for 5,000 or 6,000 also. Now coming to our second stock, SBIN, I would say it's a very good stock here. So what happened, there was a good breakout of previous low of 797 levels, and the prices have entered the previous accumulation here. So there was a fall on election day, result day, and previously also there was a fall all the way up to 736 to 740 levels. So now I think because there is a breakout, the prices likely will come down to this 740 levels, 742 somewhere around this. And if at all, if this low is not broken, somewhere around 735 to 730 levels, if this low is not broken, then good possibility again the prices will go up. So suppose if 730 levels, if this area is broken with a clean candle, good volume here, so then the prices might come towards this consolidation around 600 levels. So for now it's a buy on dip. So definitely there is going to be one more dip all the way to 740 to 745 levels. Coming to our third stock will be HDFC Bank. The reason is previously if we look at for a long time it was in consolidation. For a very long time HDFC Bank is consolidating above the pre-COVID high, which is around 1,300. So if you look at in the initial consolidation, there was not much of volume, but if you look at the recent consolidation, it has big volumes coming in. If at all there is going to be a breakout around all-time high, which is around 1,800 levels, so there is a good chance the prices will go for 2,000. I think it's a very less amount. I would say looking at the consolidation, there is going to be a heavy move. So in stock market, the point is the more time the prices consolidate, there is going to be a strong moves on either side. Traders, whoever have traded, both the sellers and buyers, they will try to take control. So let's say if the prices breaks the downside, whoever buyers are there, they unwind strongly. At the same time, if the prices breaks out, then it's going to be a buying frenzy from the retail traders or the other big traders. The reason is it's going to break out almost 4-5 years consolidation. The first target obviously it will be 2,000, and from this 2,000 I think it will aim for higher highs. As long as the higher highs is breaking, then you can expect even 3, 4, 5,000 also. On lower side you should be looking to accumulate if the prices comes down towards 1,300 to 1,460 levels. So this is where big people are entering. So look for buying opportunity. Coming to our fourth stock, it's UPL. So what happened here, there was a strong accumulation around 350 levels to 530 levels previously, somewhere in the year 2020. But then there was a breakout, and that breakout led into a small consolidation around 640 to 800 levels. But that breakout, that consolidation itself has been broken down in June 23, and the stock itself went into a lower low. Swing low has been made around 450 460 levels, which is again accumulation from 2020. Now if you watch closely, it is somewhere near the 620 levels, which is the previous supply, the breakout supply area. So As of now, if you look at the lower moving average has crossed 20-day moving average, and as of now it's a buying opportunity, but you should be watchful around this area. There will be either a turnaround around 650 to 670 levels, or it's going to sustain above this with a small pullback like this, and then it will go for 800 or even 850, 900 is also very much possible in the short term. So when I say short term, it's a 1 to 3 years. So closely watch these 650 levels to 670 levels. Looking at the consolidation, how strongly it was there, there is going to be a strong breakout which might go to the round number 1000 levels. If you are looking for market updates, you can join my Telegram channel, which I am attaching in the description. And if you are keen on learning on order flow and market profile, you can click on the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.